Hi, I'm Mike and welcome to Blue Shed, a men's shed in Oxfordshire. The Men's Sheds organisation has really grown in the UK. Started about 10 years ago and now there's actually 1,200 up and down the country, so there's probably one near you. Today at Blue Shed we're going to be making a bat box. The materials needed are the pallet wood, a very rough wood, and that's ideal. Some nails, 30mm are about right. You will need some tacks. You need a PVA glue, don't want to harm those critters. We start by cutting 3 lengths of the pallet wood to about 380 to 400 long. This isn't critical. And then 2 lengths of 25mm wide, which you can saw down. One wants to be the width of the 3 pieces, the other one about 30mm longer at each side. We lay the 2 cross pieces down first, and if you're using glue, now's the time to add some. Then lay the pieces with an overlap of about 25mm, and now we can nail them together. It's best to put one in at each end, pulling the boards together as you do so. And exactly the same thing at the bottom. And that is the first part of the construction done. The wood's rough, which gives the bat something to cling on to, but you can help by putting some saw cuts across it. About every centimetre and a half. The next part is the only critical dimension. You want 2 parts 20mm deep. Not more than 25, not less than 15. They need to be able to crawl in between them. You can add glue, as before. So now you have 20mm deep sides. Next you need to cut some cross pieces. These are just long enough to go between the 2 uprights, and you need enough, usually 3 or 4, to get down to the end. You want 80 to 100mm spare here for them to land on. And we're ready to fit the roof. This is a piece slightly longer than the cross pieces and a bit wider. Make sure that it's not deeper than the board at the back there. Although you can leave it like that, it's best to put some waterproofing on the top, like so, and then use the tacks to hold it down round the edge. Mind the fingers, and then it's hospital corners at the end. Trim off the excess with a pair of scissors. The one last job is to drill a couple of holes in the extension pieces. And we're done. They land on this area here and they crawl up inside and hang. That's why the gap is the size it is. There's 20 species of bat in the UK. Hopefully one of them will make your box its home.